You might have seen many people in the UK showing off their luxurious car, even Range Rover, Mercedes, BMW car they are driving, and which is true. Like buying a car, renting a car in the UK, and owning a car, it is literally quite easy and affordable as well. Although it is a mandatory thing if you're living outside the London. Have you ever wondered how much does it cost to have a car or keep a car in the UK? Although people are living in the UK can afford the car easily because of their earning potential. Let's break it down the today's video. How much does it cost to keep a car in the UK? And obviously, in order to drive in the UK, you must have your full driving license, not just the learning license. Although you can drive in the UK having the learning license with the proper instructions in the guidance with the full driving license holder or an instructor. So this is just the estimate annual cost. So it depends on various things, but this is like just an estimate cost on an average in the UK. So let's assume you drive 10,000 miles per year and you own either a small driver diesel or a petrol car, and you are aged between 30 to 40 and you have a driving license, full driving license in the UK, and you are driving outside of London, because in London I think owning the car is not that worth because public transport is quite nice. So first of the cost and the biggest cost, obviously buying the car. Once you have bought the car, depending on your preference choice, you can buy the luxurious car, Mercedes, BMW, or any other car, or even you can buy the affordable car like Toyota or any other Volt or any other car of the brands. So I'm not going on to that, but let's talk about, because that's just like one time investment. But after buying the car, you might have to pay monthly things, which is first of all the insurance. Without insurance, you aren't able to allowed, or you are not allowed to drive in the UK on a legal basis. So if you caught, you will be getting points on your license and a huge fine as well, and your car could be seized as well. So insurance can cost somewhere 60 to 200 pound depending on your insurance and how old is your insurance. Also, if you are new in the UK and you recently got your full driving license, then the insurance company give you the highest quotation ever possible. So it is always advised that you get the driving license as soon as you land in this country. So the insurance cost can depend on what type of the license you are having. If you are having the automatic only license, then obviously the cost is going to be high in your insurance, because you cannot drive the manual car, and manual car insurance is cheaper compared to automatic one. Yearly cost of the insurance could be somewhere 720 to 2,000 pound. Yes, I'm not joking. Even some people can get higher quotation for their annual insurance as well. Now let's talk about the road tax. So road tax can be, the monthly price could be 15 to 20 pound per month as well, even for cheaper car and smaller car. But I used to pay somewhere 300 pound for 6 months, so you can compare how much it is for 1 month. Yearly it can cost somewhere 190 to 400 pound as well, depending on car also. Now let's talk about the fuel. So fuel cost definitely depends on your usage, but still it can cost somewhere 150 to 200 pound or even more for the smaller car, and yearly it can reach somewhere 1500 to 3000 pound per year, even more as well depending on your usage. And the yearly cost, which comes another one, which is the MOT. So every year all of these second-hand car, I think they need to do the MOT every year, and that costs somewhere around 55 pound to 60 depending on car and locality and your which garage you go to. And the service, because most of the users who are new in the UK or as an immigrant, obviously we buy the second-hand car, not the new car. I'm not talking about everyone who can afford obviously the new one, they should go for the new, but some of us like me, they obviously buy the second-hand car. So that will require most of the time the services, and all the time it will be needing repair as well. So service somewhere can cost 100 to 150 pound to 300 pound depending on your location and car, obviously. And the tires in the UK is literally so expensive. It can cost somewhere 150 pound to 300 pound depending on the car. So you need to be very carefully. There are legal terms that you cannot drive a car without tear down of the tire, or if there is a hole, or there are some limitation. And the repairs, they can cost yearly or monthly somewhere around 300 to 1,000 pound depending on your car's repair cost. And the insurance, you must have did the breakdown cover, so which cost somewhere around 5 to 10 pound monthly, but it is a must advisable. You should always add the breakdown cover, and it can cost somewhere in yearly or monthly insurance, or yearly it will cost somewhere 60 to 100 pound as well. So average total, I can say, to keep a car monthly, you have to invest or pay from your out of your pocket. It is somewhere 200 to 500 pound per month. It is depending on many circumstances, so your car, your location, and many other things. And yearly it can cost somewhere out of the car cost itself, just the monthly expenses like the road tax, insurance, MOT, services, repairs. It can cost yearly somewhere 3,000 to 6,000 pound as well. Many new drivers think that they have driven in their home country 10 years, so it will be cheaper for them. But UK insurance companies, they don't count your home country driving experience, so they give the higher quotation possible. So Marshmallow is the company which counts your home country experience. So link in the description, you can use their referral from my description, and you will get the 50 pound Amazon voucher. So the insurance company can charge you, the first year could be somewhere 1,500, 2,000 pound, even sometimes more than 3,000 pound as well, especially for the new UK license holder or young drivers and London postcode. Your car has breakdown or needs some repair, then mechanic labor charges can cost somewhere 60 to 100 pound per hour basis. So as you know, labor is quite expensive in the UK, so mobile mechanic can charge you somewhere 100 pound to 150 pound for per call out. And Mercedes or BMW specialist car mechanics, they can charge you somewhere 100 to 180 pound per hour. And the main dealer, obviously, they charge higher, so they can charge somewhere 100 to 250 pound depending on dealer and location. Now let's talk about the unexpected cost, which is the parking fines or crossing fines if you haven't paid. So one mistake somewhere can cost 55 to 150 pound charge. Most of the time, I think 100 pound is the penalty charge, but I'm not sure because it depends on location and many other circumstances. So if you drive on the bus lane, then you can be charged somewhere 70 to 150 pound as well. And the congestion charge is the additional cost if you drive in the London area. The Dartford crossing or any other crossing, if you cross them, it is like £2, £3 per day charge. If you don't pay them, then it will be crossing charge plus the fine, so it will be somewhere £100 you have to pay. So that's it for the video. This is just to give you an idea. This is not exact amount, obviously, so it is depending on many other things. So hopefully you got an idea about how much it can cost. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.